In this video, we're going to show you how to use lead magnets with your e-commerce email marketing to massively increase your store's revenue. So we have Ryan from Email All-Stars here. He runs a Klaviyo Platinum agency. They're one of the biggest e-commerce email marketing agencies with over 500 plus clients. So Ryan, welcome.
Thank you very much for having me here, Shash. And thank you for watching. Shash did a little research into the YouTube algorithm and he found out that a lot of people have questions about e-commerce lead magnets. So thanks for using those fancy tools so that I can come over here and help you out with this. So when it comes to e-commerce lead magnets, I'll be talking about pop-ups and discount strategies in the future video. But what we're going to go into is some of the lead magnets that you can use if you don't want to offer a discount, and just some of the strategies that you can try. First off, I'm going to tell you a little bit about one of the strangest lead magnets that I've ever seen for an e-commerce store. So this was for a store that sold a lot of things that had to do with like sleepwear, things like sleep masks, sleeping supplements, things like that. Their lead magnet that they were using to get opt-ins was actually a hypnosis audio file. So this is for people who are trying to fall asleep, and it was just an audio recording that they had created. It was like 15 minutes long, and they were giving that out for free with email opt-ins. That's one of the stranger ones, but this email opt-in worked very, very well, even better than discounts and money off that they've been offering before. So this just gives you a little bit of an idea on what you can use for lead magnets for e-commerce stores. But when it comes to your e-commerce store, you really have to try and get inside the mind of your customers and think, what is it that they're really interested in that is in and around my products and related to that? So I'm going to just off the top of my head give you a few examples. Number one is, let's say you have a supplement brand and your supplements are supposed to help people with memory and cognitive function. Then your lead magnet could be something like a wake up routine to try and get your brain working and firing and get your memory working right from the moment you wake up. And people can opt in for that and get just a short little ebook to help them with that wake up routine. So that's something that's not a very common one that not people would have seen very often. But if they're coming for your products, it's likely in and around the types of things that they are really interested in. And then on the other side, let's say you have products that are in around hair extensions and things like that. You could create some sort of like short lead magnet that's about how to make like your hair extensions last as long as possible. How to weave them into your hair in different ways, like how to find the perfect one for your skin complexion. That's just a couple ideas. Obviously, I'm not really the expert in hair extensions, but just off the top of my head, that's what I'm going for, is just trying to find some like interesting creative ideas for your audience. Another one is, let's say you sell bicycles online. Like a lead magnet that you could offer is maybe like a cycling guide and how to up your cycling time. These lead magnets, they need to be tied into your products. So your products will be mentioned in them, but the main focus is to give some value and have a really sexy headline that will capture people's attention and like get them to opt in. So find out how you can tie your products in with the interests of people who are in your audience. And that's how you're going to start to find lead magnets that actually work better than discounts and pop-ups. So if you've been relying on that 10% off coupon for too long, I want to challenge you to get creative. Sit down and think about what other topics would be useful for your audience, what things are related to your products that they really want more information on, and try and create a short lead magnet piece with a really well-written headline. And that's how you're going to start capturing more people to get them to sign up for your email list.
So Ryan, most of your clients, when they get email opt-ins or when they offer a lead magnet, do they usually do it through a pop-up, or are they driving traffic to landing pages, or how does that look like?
Yeah, I would say the most common way is having a pop-up on their website. Don't have it trigger immediately. Let them go and take a look into what your store has to offer, and then trigger a pop-up with some really engaging piece of content, like this type of lead magnet. That's how you're going to start to capture more people. Does that mean it will necessarily work better than a percentage off or money off their order or some sort of like buy one, get one free offer? Maybe not. But if you've never tried it before, then you might be able to save some of your profit margins by changing in this strategy. And if you have a good enough hook for this lead magnet, you could very well outperform these discount and coupon code type offers. So I'd highly recommend it if you've never tried it. Sit down, and if you can think up one with like a really interesting hook to it, give that a try and see if it actually converts better than your old pop-up.
Yeah, and also if you're running paid ads, running it to a lead magnet often can get you really cheap leads in the $2 to $3 range. Obviously, you'll need to make sure your emails convert, which is why you have somebody like Ryan to help you. But it's definitely worth a try. We've tried that with supplement clients where it can really increase your long-term revenue because you're getting these leads in for $2, $3, which is doable because these lead magnets are just such an easy way to get people through the door. And guys, if you're interested in learning more about e-commerce email marketing and perhaps having Ryan's team take over your e-commerce email marketing, scale it up for you, increase the revenue you're earning quite significantly, then book a call. There'll be a link in the description to book a call with Email All-Stars. And once again, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button so that we can keep making more videos like this.